Hello everyone. So today we are going to explain what is TQM. TQM is nothing but total quality management. It is not a tool, it's a mindset for operational excellence. So today we'll explain everything in details about TQM to make you understand the concept of TQM, why this is important in Lean Six Sigma. Now, first of all, you need to know that what is TQM. So TQM is total quality management. It is a holistic management approach that focuses on continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and long-term success. TQM is a philosophy that focuses on customer satisfaction. How can I delight my customer? How can I make the customers happy? How can I build a long-term relationship and bonding, trust and loyalty with the customers? So it's a customer-centric approach that focuses on only customer satisfaction and improving the process and continuous improvement for the long-term success, for the long-term business growth. That is the fundamentals of TQM. Now, customer-centric approach. That's I've already explained that TQM is a customer-centric approach. TQM places customer at the top notch, at the center of the decision to consistently meet and exceed their expectations. The target is to delight the customers, meet the requirements of the customers. What they need, that has to be the basic requirements to be fulfilled. Along with that, how can I delight the customers? That basically focuses on TQM focuses on that. So it's a customer-centric approach to make the customers happy and delight the customers. That is the basic fundamentals behind total quality management. Hello, this is Surajit Banerjee, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. Now I am moving into the continuous improvement. It is a integral part of total quality management. GQM promotes ongoing improvement in processes, products and systems and services by using data-driven methods. What happens? In TQM, we take the feedback from the customers and accordingly, basically, it focuses on to improve the process, the system and the services so that how can we delight our customers, meet the expectations of the customers and can build trust and loyalty to the customers. Because if the customers sustain, the business will grow. There will be business growth. There will be expansion in the organization. So that is the basic focus, the continuous improvement in the process. Now, I'll explain employee involvement. Every employee is responsible for the quality. TQM focuses on the fact that every employee is responsible for the quality, for encouraging the teamwork, for ownership, for problem solving. It gives the power to all employees that you all are responsible to meet the requirements of the customers, to meet the requirements of the customers in all aspects, in terms of the quality, in terms of the delivery, in terms of the product, service, and systems, whatever the customers need, that has to be fulfilled, and every employee's involvement is required in TQM. TQM focuses on that so that we can delight the customers, we can make the customers happy. Now, process oriented thinking. TQM focuses on the process because if I can make the process correct, then what will happen? It will be able to meet the requirements of the customers every time. You'll be able to, your product will always be on the high quality. It will always meet the requirements of the customers. So it focuses on the process. TQM focuses on improving the process rather than blaming the people. It doesn't blame the people, so that it ensures a stable and efficient operations. It focuses on the process. The process checking should be there. So there will be quality assurance, there will be quality control, quality planning, quality improvement, continuous improvement. It focuses on the process because if the process is correct, it will produce high quality products. Its service will be better. Systems will be, so it focuses on improving the systems, the process, the internal structure, everything. So that is basically the approach in TQM. Now, the leadership commitment. Now, to execute the TQM, you need some leadership support. So, strong leadership drives the TQM by setting vision, quality goals, and a culture of excellence. If you want to achieve operational excellence, then the strong leadership vision is required because that can only produce high quality products and services which can meet the requirements of the customers and it will ensure continuous improvement. Now, data driven decisions. TQM doesn't focus on assumptions. It just focuses on the actual data. And actual data can be taken through the voice of customers. With the survey, interviewing, if you can interact with the customers, you will get the feedback where you are lacking, in the market, where the others are ahead of you. So what are the improvements that you need to do in your systems and your process? So it focuses on the data-driven decisions. So it focuses on the actual facts rather than assumptions. Now, supplier quality management. It is very, very important. Some products you will be able to manufacture in house, but for something you need to do some outsourcing. So supplier will do some manufacturing for you. They will do start some mass production for you. So for that, it is very, very important to check the supplier's ability so that it can meet the requirements of the customers or not. That's why it's very important that I've already explained in my other video, the production approval process. So the number of checkings are there so that it can build the trust between the supplier and the customer. So that is important. So production approval process, I have made a separate video. You can go and check. I will give the in I button. I will share the link. You can go and check that so that TQM focuses on the supplier's ability also, so that suppliers can meet the requirements of the customers or not. Because it should meet high quality products every time for the customers. Now, I'll move into the prevention over inspection. TQM focuses on preventive mindset. It should not be on the corrective mindset. After the defect happened, you want to correct it. No, it doesn't focus on that. It focuses on the preventive mindset so the defect doesn't happen at all. So that you can meet the consistent quality every time. TQM focuses on preventing defects rather than detecting after production. That is the basic goal. Now, long-term business success. For the long-term success, TQM is a must. TQM leads to higher customer loyalty. It reduces the cost, improve the moral and sustainable growth, ensure consistent, continuous improvement and operational excellence. For the business growth, for the customer satisfaction, if the customer is happy, it will ensure it will scale your business. What will happen? There will be business growth. There will be much more credibility in the market. So for the long-term business success, TQM is a must. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and comments below with your thoughts on total quality management. I'll be very happy to see your comments on this topic. I hope you have learned something new. So share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notification for more insightful content, power-packed content on Lean Six Sigma to master the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. You can also join our exclusive WhatsApp community to get free updates on Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, everything about Lean Six Sigma. You can master Lean Six Sigma from our community itself. Thank you for being part of this side of the Lean Six Sigma world. I thank you from the bottom of your heart. Thank you. Thank you so much.